We're in Fresno, California, getting ready to install a new wax ring in the upstairs master bath toilet. And there's a lot of corrosion down here. This was all full of debris, solid debris, so we kind of wiped that up. Got the old wax ring off. This flange is free floating in the hole. See this? Well, I can't do it. Anyway, so it's not fastened to the ground. And if I could hold my camera still while I was doing that, you could see it's not mounted to the ground. So anyways, we're going to get you some new bolts in here, some new wax. Bolt it back down and see if we can get it tight. And then we'll take another video when we're done. So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a wax ring on the master bath toilet here. The angle stop was already in place. It looks like a brass craft compression by 3/8 compression. And when you turn that off, it doesn't shut the water flow all the way, but it's a nice valve. So we did replace the supply line. You got a brand new Fluid Master supply line. We took this one out because this gasket was worn, so put that in brand new. Brand new bolt kit. So we used Jones Stevens bolt kits. We have 2s and 3s, and so brand new bolt kit down there. Brand new flange wax ring, and it's tightened down to the floor. Like I say from the first part of the video, that flange is free floating. It's got movement front to back. It doesn't feel like it's moving up and down, so maybe there's a block down in the framing below the floor that's keeping it from lifting up. But we tightened it down. There's no shimming needed around the perimeter. It's just nice and flat on the floor. So we're going to clean that up, get some bolt caps on there. Anyways, this one's back in business. Outside of that, this installation is done.